Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at iMovie and how to put a transition at the end of a video clip. So it's a good way maybe to finish off a video, and it's a very quick lesson, so easy to learn. So let's take a quick look. So I have my little video here that I've pulled into my timeline, and to do that I'm going to show you, I'm going to right click here and delete it. I'm just going to go into my Finder on my Mac, and I'm going to go to my movies, and I just made a very quick video today. This one here, I'm going to just hold the left mouse button, drag it down, and drop it in my timeline. Okay, so now I have a video, little clip here. If I were to go into this video and push play, so I've marked it out at the end of the video and I push play, you'll see it comes to the end, and that's it. So if I want it to fade out instead of just stopping with this screen, I can go up to transitions, and I'm going to look for the fade to black here. So you can see it takes the image and then it slowly fades out to black. And there's loads of other transitions. That's something that we'll look at a later date. So we're going to take this fade to black, left click, drag it down, put it at the end, and then now when we push play, it will fade out to black for you to finish your video. So again, a nice little editing tip, very quick, very easy, something you can apply to most of the videos that you're making. Hope you enjoyed that quick clip on how to. If you have any questions, let me know, savvytechgirl@gmail.com, and I would be happy to either respond via email, or if there's a video you'd like to see, I will post that as well. Have a great day.